Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastically well. Something new here, my name is Jason. I'm a funded trader and I'm very much heavily looking into all of the prop firm spaces to give all the latest news and best products out there. And as we've just seen from True Forex Funds, they've now suspended their operations while trying to find out a way of dealing with a Metaquotes issue and probably looking to migrate to a new broker. Now, is this the end? Is it another prop firm going bust? Is it adding more drama to the entire space? So I think the only thing out there is they've just put a page up on their website, essentially not allowing any new people to sign up and giving information for people how they're existing. But all their existing socials haven't mentioned this whatsoever. Yes, it's on a Discord channel, but not on their Instagram, not on the YouTube page, etc. So it is a bit curious to why they haven't been advertising this more across all their platforms. It could just be they're trying to limit the damage and get over this small hurdle while they've done their own temporary suspension and then be able to relaunch with a new broker in the short term. And also this could be part of a bigger picture with lots of other prop firms out there who have potentially using their own third-party brokers essentially to do their own quoting who aren't regulated in the US, and they're taking that precautionary step to move to another broker. We've seen other prop firms suspend their operations in the US, and obviously that's where we've seen the biggest problems come for. As an example, my Forex Funds, when they went bust, they obviously investigated by the regulated organizations over there and had to have all their accounts frozen and had to go to court to try and beg to get some of their money back out. I think the precautionary steps these guys are taking to actually suspend their operations is probably a good thing. But again, it's also interesting when we look at the website, the only actual links you can get to are the terms of use and a refund policy. So let's have a quick look at the website and see if we can get some more information. So this is the only thing that's been posted so far. Dear traders, due to a nonsense reason, Metaquotes has terminated our licenses and therefore we had to freeze our services temporarily. Our team is working hard on a plan to continue providing our services. The incomprehensible reason for the termination is using a third-party provider for equity synchronization purposes, who has allegedly not connected to MetaTrader's client terminal in a way that is fully acceptable by Metaquotes. True Forex Funds has used the mentioned third-party provider since 2021 without any complaints from Metaquotes. So that's really interesting in that there's been no issues since 2021, and we know last year in 2023, True Forex Funds did actually get an award for the best platform. We've seen a lot of growth and success with this prop firm over the past couple of years. So I'm a bit surprised it's gone to this point to actually get where we need to be to have it suspended. But I do think that in the background, they are going to be working very hard. They haven't shut down any Discord. They haven't shut down any other services. They are just literally suspending their trading operations, closing the trades out and trying to migrate across. But unfortunately, migrating accounts across is not going to be an easy task. We know that the traders will be in negative, some will be in positive. Trying to get all of those synchronized and those levels across to a new broker platform is going to be very, very difficult. And I don't see an easy way around that in the short term. From a technology perspective, it's going to be difficult. So again, they're making assurances that despite all the turbulences, they're never going to back down. They're going to continue to try and work with Metaquotes to get the licenses reinstated and get back on there. But again, as the worst case scenario say here, we'll have to migrate to another broker's server and obviously then try and get all of the existing traders up and running. As said previously, the only two things listed on the website is the refund policy and terms of use. I would say if you are with True Forex Funds at the moment, please go and read these two pages very carefully. And if you are looking for a refund, see if you are able to do so, because they haven't had their account suspended. They haven't actually had any issues within regulatory authorities. So they should be able to give a refund if you are eligible. So you can see under the refunds policy, there will always be some caveats that don't allow it. But if you are not satisfied within 14 days, you are able to request a refund. But as we can see here, refunds always come to their discretion and they can reject any claims if they don't deem them actually viable or a legitimate issue for a refund. So what's my personal take on this? It's very difficult to give a real opinion because I've not had any dealings with True Forex Funds over the years. Yes, I've been aware of them. I've seen the good things they've done, and I've also seen a lot of videos saying how bad they are. So again, it's very difficult to take all the good and the bad and combine them and to give an exact opinion. I would say if you are currently going through the funding with them or waiting for payouts, contact the customer services, see what they've got in the background and probably be patient. If you've only just signed up, see if you can get a refund and go with another prop firm if that's the way you want to go. And I really sincerely hope that they don't actually go bust. They're able to migrate to another broker platform who is going to be regulated in the US, and therefore they can start doing trading again. But as we know, reputation is really hard to recover from. We see if they are doing this and suspending it straight away, there are definitely issues behind the scenes that we may or may not be aware of, and more may come to light in the near future. So I would definitely say keep an eye on the space, keep an eye on the website, keep an eye on the Discord channel, and see what emerges over the next couple of days. I don't see anything on their other socials, especially on Instagram. So really the only way of finding out is to contact people there or speak with other traders and prop firm people. So yeah, hopefully no one's been too effective with this one. But as always, I'll catch you again soon. Thanks for watching. Cheers.